Hi, my name is Parth Pirani. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to explore five powerful reconnaissance frameworks: FinalRecon, reconng, TheHarvester, SpiderFoot, and the OSINT Framework. I will explain how each one works, why they are essentials, and show show you how to install and use them. Let's get started. Reconnaissance or recon is a crucial phase in a cybersecurity and penetration testing. It involves the gathering information about target system, network, individuals to understand potential vulnerabilities. The frameworks will cover the frameworks we will cover today have to automate streamline this process, providing powerful insights with minimal efforts. First up with the final recon, a lightweight Python-based tool for a web reconnaissance. It's perfect for quickly gathering details information about website. Key points are performing a domain scanning, header analysis, and SSL informations. So we have this GitHub repository from the white hat. FinalRecon is a tool that you can easily install in a Kali Linux, Arch Linux, and other OS. With using this sudo apt install FinalRecon, you can install easily in Kali Linux. FinalRecon is give you us the valuable details about the server cookies and other header data. This information can be helpful identify misconfigurations or vulnerabilities. Next, we have a reconng Modular. Metasploit-like a framework for in-depth reconnaissance. It is incredibly powerful because it is a customizable module and scripting capabilities. Key points are load modules to perform tasks like subdomain enumerations and data gathering. And this is the GitHub repository for reconng. And reconng is already on your Kali Linux tools. This is the official website of Kali Linux to installation of GitHub reconng. Sudo apt install reconng, easy to install tool for information gathering. Reconng's modular design makes it easy to customize scans and focus on a specific targets. You can add API keys for more in-depth data collection. Moving on to the Harvester, a powerful tool for gathering emails, subdomains, and IP address for public sources like search engines and social networks. Key points are supports the Google, Bing, LinkedIn, and more. Great for identifying potential targets for a phishing test. This is the GitHub repository for a harvesting tool. How you can install in the Python with using Kali Linux have already the harvester tool inbuilt. Okay, and essentially you can install with the sudo apt install harvester. Package contains tool gathering subdomains, email address, virtual host, open ports, and employee names. And this is the harvester tool first pick. The harvester makes it is easy to collect valuable intent from multiple sources, helping you map out the target's online footprinting. Now let's look at the SpiderFoot, an automated ocean tools that collects and analyzes the data from 100 sources. Its web interface makes it user friendly and highly customizable. Key points are covered subdomains, IP addresses, emails, and more. visuals data and simplifies the complex investigations. This is the GitHub repository of SpiderFoot. It is run on the browser with the localhost ID, IP address, domain, hostname, network subnet, email address, phone number, username, personal name, Bitcoin address is shown in this tool. Installing process of this tool is here, and you can easily spiderfoot.py -l and your port number and localhost address and running on the browser. SpiderFoot comprehensive reports provide detailed insights in your targets, infrastructure vulnerabilities, and more. Finally, we have OSINT Framework, a web-based directory of tools and resources. It is not a tool itself, but categorized guide to help you find right tools for your recon needs. Categories is a cover everything from email and social media OSINTs to domain and IP tools. Acts act as a roadmap for planning your recon strategy. So here is the oceanframework.com. Here you can see what you can recon in your task. Okay, so username recon is two types of user search engines, specific sites. In here, Amazon, GitHub, Tinder, Keybase, and MIT. And here is the what's my name, name check, name checker, usersearch.org. This is the list of your reconnaissance to use the find the recon find the information about the target. Okay, this is the dark web and all about all the records and websites to give it to you find the information. These frameworks are essential for anyone involved in a cybersecurity, penetration testing, or ocean investigations. They have some they have They save the time, provide the deep insights, and automated complex tasks. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit bell icon for more cybersecurity content. Thanks for watching. Happy hacking.